In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sliding banner with views slideshow module in a Drupal 7 website in just 6 steps. The first step, we will go to Drupal.org site and download 6 different modules that we need, and they include the link module, view slideshow, and then optionally you can add a token. So we go to that site and download those modules, and also we are going to download libraries plugin called jQuery plugin from another website. So let's first of all go to the Drupal official Drupal website. So we're at Drupal.org. You click on download and extend, and then you come and click on modules. And when you get to this page, in the search box there, you put in the modules. You put in the views module. Let's do views first, and then you enter it to search, and then after it searches, you click down, you scroll down. That's the views module. You come down this way, depending on the version of your Drupal you are using. But for version 7, you download either the GZ file or the zip file. So you download those 6 modules. I have already downloaded them into my computer. They are here. So you see views 7 by 3.7 zip, view slideshow, you have token, and then you have the 6 C tools. I have all of them on my system already, and from here you extract it with your WinRAR zip extractor, and then once you have extracted them, that's it. You go to where you extracted them, and then it is the one that you extracted. You call the extracted ones. You call view slideshow. I come here now and copy. You just copy it and you go to your Drupal folder. In this case, mine is digital operations. Go there, and when you click, you open it, and you go to sites. From sites, you click on all, and then in all, you create these 3 new folders, and you label them libraries, modules, and themes. Then in these modules, in one of the modules, this is where you now paste all the 6 modules that I mentioned earlier: link, views, slideshow, see-throughs, libraries, API, and token. And then we now go to this other website called marsup.com. You go to this website. When you get to this website, go to this website. When you get there, So you see download cycle plug. This is where you click on and you download it, and the plugin, the jQuery plugin, and then you label it as jQuery.cycle.all. That's it here, jQuery.cycle.all, and that is what you're going to use as a plugin. So in that plugin, we are going to put it in the libraries folder that I showed you earlier on, in your Drupal folder, this libraries folder. Okay, you open it and you put it in the libraries library. Okay, so this is the library. You create another folder, you label it jQuery, and then you put it in it, and and you are done with that. So having put in the modules and the library plugin, let's tell you about libraries API. It's a module. It's one of the modules also. Even though it's called libraries API, it is a module. You put it in the modules folder, and then you are done. Then you you log into your Drupal site. You come to the browser, and you log into, you put in your Drupal address, your web address, log into your Drupal site from your home, and then immediately you go to the modules. Modules. You click on modules, and you come to where you install your modules. So when you come to the modules, you see all those modules I told you of. Let's scroll down. C tools, that is C tools. You click on this C tools module. Okay, you have Chaos Tools suite, but it is just this one that we need now. C tools. You click on that, and then this is the link. Modules. It shows here. You click on this like this way to enable it. By enabling the modules right now. That's what we are doing right now. And this is the libraries. You click on this to enable the library module. And this is the views. You click on all of them. View slideshow, view slideshow cycle, and views UI. So, and then you click hit save configuration, and you are done for step 1 for installation of the module. That is step 2. So we have installed the modules by step 2. So now we go to step 3, and step 3 is to create a content type. Content type, you go to content types. So you click on content types. In fact, you just under the content types, you are going to create a new content type. Originally, you get article and basic page coming with your Drupal, but you add a new content type, and I added one already, which is photo slider. You are going to add the content type for the slider, which is, and I've already added in mine here, and it's called photo slider. So when you add it, let's edit it, and you see when you add the content type, you just click on add content type, and it gives type, which is photo slider. You describe images for slider or slider, and then when you get this is you come to publishing option. You remove this promoter front page. You just leave only publish. Then you come to display settings. It used to be this, but you remove it. Okay. And comments, comment is to be open, and it's normally open, but you close it because we don't need comment for the slide to make a sliding banner. When you come to menu, menu normally it will be here by default. On this, it will be ticked here. What you do, you take off the menu. We don't need any menu. Okay, when you finish that, you save the content type, and then you add the fields that will be able to that will take up that will hold the images. So once we have created the photo slider content type, you are going to add, you go to manage fields. Let's go again, you can edit. So you go to manage fields to add the field that we need, the fields that are needed. So on this page, you will already have these 3 lines. So I added the field for the image. To add field, you just type the name of the field, which is I added the slideshow image field. I just typed it in here. Just type slideshow image field, and then automatically the machine name will come up, and then you choose out of this box field type. You choose image. Okay, choose image, and then you get that. And then after choosing image there, you follow the screen, save it. Okay, then I'm going to choose, we're going to still make, we need to make a field for link, field called link. Okay, that's it. Field type will be link also, and that's it. Save. That is saved, and you click save field settings. So here we go. In this page, all you need to do here is you don't need to do anything here. Just save. And after that, we come to manage display. Manage display. Under manage display, you have the default and you have the teaser. Where this is default now. In the default, the fields we have that we already created and the one that were there before, this is the body and the image, title image field and the link field that we just created now. This is the label, these are the labels. We don't want the labels, we want them to be hidden. Okay, and then the link. Link to show there. And then link will be hidden. Then here, that's it. This was the default. You hit save here, and that'll be it. You go to I'll go to the teaser. So on that teaser, you see the link and the body. You don't want the body of the page to show, you know, on the teaser. So you bring up this image, slideshow image, make sure that you move it. You can move it, drag it like this and drag it up. So we drag it up, you know, so that it will show on as a teaser. It's the only field that will be showing. We don't want to see the link and the body in the teaser, so those ones are hidden. And then you click on this place and decide what image style you want to use. Image style, you see all the image styles here. In my case, I'm using the image style banner digital, which I created before, and I link to the content. I want to link it to my content. You don't have to link it if you don't want to. So that's it. So we have created a content type photo slider, or the photo slider, and we added the field, image field and the link field to the photo slider. So we are done with that. So after that, we now go and upload the images that we need for our slider. I have some images in my file already, so we upload the images we need. You know, you should have at least maybe three images. So my images. Okay, upload the images. What I want to do now is to create a content type. Add content. And the content I want to add is the photo slider content type. So I'll go there straight. So the first image I will be adding will be my content management service image. Put your description here. So we come this way. Browse. Content management service image. Image. Text there. Title of the text. Same thing. And make sure you put the URL. Yes, we have to add the URL. This URL. I've closed this one before. It's alright. Publishing. We remove this, and that's it. So I've uploaded this one. Content management service image. You see. Add a second image, photo slider, content. I'm using an administration menu to navigate my way. So the second image I will add now will be management or marketing. Let's add marketing. For our marketing, we are trying to display our one of the service. This banner is for our services, and these are marketing services. Watercolor banner. We use this. Marketing. Title. Marketing. And the URL. URL part. That's it. Save. Add another content, another image. This time around, we add the management. Element service image. Banner. The management. This page should always be the same as this. So, save. We have added 3 images. That should be minimum for producing the sliding banner. So we are ready to go. Yeah. Step 4 now, that's step 4. We go to step 5. Step 4 is to upload images. Step 5 now, we create a view. To create a view, we come to structure, and you see view here. Views under structures. Structure. come add a new view. My computer is very fast, so I'll wait for it. Add a new view, we call it a photo slider. Okay, sorry. Mistake. I don't want that. Cancel it. So add a new view. Call it photo slider. We want to describe it, we can describe it. Okay, view of view for sliding hammer. Okay, it's going to be a view of the content, but it's not all, it's just the photo slider we need. The view we are creating will not create a page, instead we create a block, views block. So under display format, we click on slideshow. Of slideshow of teasers. With links or without links. Say without links. Okay, I will say continue and edit. So here we go. Yeah. Okay. That's our slider, a preview of the slider. That's the preview of the slider. So we go and we hit save. We can decide to edit it or add, modify it in different ways, but this is basically the default. And we save it. Our photo slider view. photo slider view has been saved. Okay, so at this point in time, you won't see it in anywhere yet on the website. We have to go to blocks to add it to the our front page. So when you come to the blocks, you see our view here. I want to put it, let's say, you put it in the, can put it on the header, or we put it, let's see, where do we put it? I'm using a batik theme, and let's see where we have to put it. Click on demonstration block regions. So we have the header here. How we can put this? We have featured here. These are block regions where we can put a new block. If we put it here, it will be on the same block with the page title and the logo. So let's put it. I can put it here. Oh, let's put it here. Let's put it here in the featured region. So we come to the view slider, click on it, and put it on the featured. So there is the featured region. So that's it for now. You just save it. So we are done with our views slider banner. Let's go to the home page now and view it. Here we go. This is our home page now. Title out. Take out the title there. And the way we do it by putting is none. Save the block again. That's a view slider. hope you have learned something in this video. You have learned how to make views, a banner, a sliding banner, making use of the views slideshow module in Drupal 7. Looking forward to the next video. Thanks for watching.